When you're creating content using an HTML editor in Canvas, the first thing you want to do is navigate to your course navigation bar and click on Pages. As you can see, I have already created my front page, and so that is where it will take me. Click on View All Pages in the top left-hand corner of your page. Your Pages section will now open up, and you can see in the top right-hand corner that you have a blue plus page button, and you're going to want to click on that. I am now able to add an HTML page. I titled my page HTML Editor, and in the body, I typed "This is a step-by-step tutorial about how to create content using an HTML editor." Below is an image of an advertisement that I posted inviting friends to the winter market. In order to do that, I am going to click on the Photos tab and click on Upload Image. You're now in the Upload Images. You have the option to upload from your computer or to add a URL. You can also drag and drop or click into the space with the spaceship on it to browse your computer. As you can see, I have uploaded my image into the HTML editor. I also wanted to show you that you can use the bar at the top to insert your image. So you can go to Insert and then click Image from the drop-down box and then click on Upload Image from there. Once you've adjusted your picture to where you would like for it to be in your text box, you can navigate down to the bottom of the screen. If you want to start over, you can click Cancel. If you want to save and publish, you can do that, or you can just click on Save. And as you can see, I now have a page that is titled HTML Editor, has my wording on there, and also my picture. Thank you so much for watching.